Established in 2004, Imathia is an innovative national and international construction company based in Madrid, Spain. Imathia carries out activities mainly within the field of civil works and is highly specialized in rail. Imathia has a special interest in the railway world and is currently working on a very relevant project which involves the construction of a high-speed railway line connecting the holy cities of Mecca and Medina in Saudi Arabia. Imathia, as a member of a Saudi-Spanish consortium, is in charge of the track construction by the installation of three main materials: sleepers, ballast, and rail. For sleepers procurement, Imathia has erected a high-speed sleepers factory on site with the highest quality and extremely high production rates. Over 2,000 high-speed sleepers per day are manufactured at the Imathia factory located in a workbase at the track corridor between Jeddah and Medina. The production system is a cycle called carousel. We start the cycle with the installation of the steel bars inside the molds, and then we move on to the concrete and vibration phase. Molds concreted are moved into the curing chambers. After 24 hours, the molds are taken out and the cycle is continued by the stress transmission to the hard concrete. The sleepers are then remolded, the fastening system is installed, and the complete sleepers are transported to the stock area. Ballast is produced at different quarries as close as possible from the track, but conditioned to a land with high-quality raw material, stone. Ballast requirements for high-speed railways are very high, making it necessary to purchase high-technology equipment from outside the kingdom and to bring specialized engineers and technicians from Spain for the full period of production. Over 5,000 ballast tons per day are produced by Imathia for the project. The Imathia stationary welding plant receives 25-meter rail bars from Europe. As the bars need to be even longer, they are welded in said plant in Saudi Arabia until they reach 300 meters with a production rate of 110 welding per day. The long bars are stockpiled and ready to be loaded by gantry cranes over the long bar train. The train, pulled by locomotives, is able to transport them to the track and install 9 kilometers of rail, 4.5 kilometers of new track. Turnouts for high speed are complex devices to change track, some of them 200 meters long, and are composed basically by rails, steel bars, and special concrete sleepers that are to be pre-assembled in the work bases and then transported to the final location by platform trains pulled by locomotives. The turnouts are installed by using specific mobile cranes that are transported in the same trains than the turnouts. Ballast hopper wagons are loaded from ballast stockpiles along the track. By transporting and discharging additional ballast by hopper wagons pulled by locomotives, we are able to elevate each track to the final position. This is done using tamping machines, which compress the ballast under the sleepers, supporting the railroad squeezing in vibrations, and get the track to the final position. For the adjustment of the quantity of ballast used in each section, heavy machines called ballast regulators are used. Finally, the compaction is finalized with the use of a stabilizer, leaving the track alignment perfect. Only then can the speed train be safe and comfortable. For the final continuity of all the rails and turnouts installed along the track, the long bars and the turnout pieces are welded by aluminothermic welding on site along the track. With the best track system installation, using top machinery and the best materials, Imathia has achieved 27 kilometers of track installation per month, a world record that Imathia is willing to improve upon in the future.